Alright guys, this is a look at my rewired, what's it called again? Eurospec industrial ceiling fan. I think it's Eurospec. Remember that video where I was talking about that rare ceiling fan? Well, here it is. It's back again. It's actually been on this channel before, a really long time ago. Actually, when I first got 200 subscribers, I had a special featuring this ceiling fan, and I was testing it, and it had one of the 009 sound system songs on it, the one called Born to be Wasted, so that's probably going to make you all go to that video. Yeah, this fan is going to be featured in a Christmas special when I get it up and running. Now, here's the first area I thought this thing could go in. Hollow wooden floors. Right here to replace the other Eurospec fan, which not the best in here. Not like an industrial fan would be any better considering the ceiling, but I think it would work in here since it has a longer down rod. This Eurospec fan uses a cheap remote, so it's always running into problems. So this is the this is probably the #1 spot for that thing. This is just a random thought I just came up with. That Eurospec fan would be good in here, but that's probably never happening. This bally is staying up here till the motor burns out. So, yeah. This is Ceiling Fan 20128, giving you a great film since 2016. Thanks for watching. Bye.